What is going on, guys? We are back in the factory again for number 3. This is the final one. I'm actually starting this in the factory section of the building, which is fun. You've seen me explore this building a bit, but yes, we're here. I'm going to try and get some cinematic shots and nice photos and stuff, because a lot of the filming I've done here hasn't been cinematic at all. And yeah, so I've got my full camera rig with me, and we're going to have some fun. Since I first entered this building 2 weeks ago, it's been a lot of fun. Yo. When I entered it, it was like a dream come true. The first time I've been in this building, I've been fascinated about my whole life. Not a big deal to a lot of people, but to me, to finally be inside it was a big deal. That's why I've done multiple videos on the place. Now, originally we believed that the building was abandoned in 2004. After digging around in some of the paperwork inside the building, it was dated 2006, which leads us to believe that maybe only the factory part closed in 2004 and the offices remained in a working condition until as late maybe as 2006. Now unfortunately it's time for us to leave. There'll be more explores, but this one will forever be a very special place. Around getting some shots and so on. Somebody's definitely been here since I last came here, which was a few days ago when we did part 2 with Jess, because there's some chairs that have been on the roof. Just filmed POV. I went up there and saw all the chairs, so somebody's been up there, which is fun. Hopefully there's nobody living in home, but yeah, the camera's already dying. I had no preparation for this at all. I've only got one battery charged and it's dying, which is quite worrying, but we're going to still see what we can get. I haven't even gone over to the offices yet and started shooting there, which is a pain in the ass. I also cut myself on some glass. Today's a bit of a mess. Fuck you! Oh man, birds man. Cunts, all of them. So the furniture's been moved around in here. I keep hearing stuff. Doesn't sound like wind, it's noisy in here. Fuck. We are leaving.